Question 1. As per Section 4 of Indian Contract Act, the communication of acceptance is complete as against the acceptor when option A. It comes to the knowledge of a proposer. Option B. It is communicated to the proposer. Option C. It is put into course of transmission. Option D. It becomes impossible for him to revoke it. And the answer is option A. It comes to the knowledge of proposer. Question 2. A fraudulently informs B that A's house is free from encumbrance. B thereupon buys the house. The house is subject to mortgage. The contract is option A. Voidable at the option of B. Option B. Void. Option C. Voidable at the option of either A or B. Option D. Impossible to perform. And the answer is A. Voidable at the option of B. Question 3. A proposal when accepted becomes option A. A promise under section 2 clause B. B. A consideration under section 2 clause D. C. An agreement under section 2 clause E. D. A contract under section 2 clause H. And the answer is A. A promise under section 2 clause B. Question 4. Consideration for the contract signifies option A. Equality in contracts. B. Fairness in contract terms. C. The bargain element in a contract. D. Valuation of the contract. And the answer is C. The bargain element in a contract. Question 5. Who among the following has no right to enforce a contract? Option A. Stranger to contract. B. Parties to contract. C. Strangers to consideration. D. The provider of consideration. And the answer is A. Stranger to contract. Question 6. Surendra's dog is lost. He advertises in a newspaper, anyone who finds the dog will get a reward of rupees 20,000. This advertisement is option A. A proposal. B. An invitation to proposal. C. An acceptance. D. A void contract. And the answer is A. A proposal. Question 7. An auction turns into a binding contract. Option A. Upon fall of the hammer. B. Upon quotation of the highest bid. C. Upon actual signing of contract. D. Upon mentioning of reserve price. And the answer is A. Upon fall of the hammer. Question 8. A agrees to pay B rupees 1,000 without any consideration. This agreement is option A. Voidable. B. Void. C. Not enforceable. D. Not enforceable as unwritten. And the answer is B. Void. Question 9. For a loan, when there is a stringency in money market, a banker asks for unusually high rate of interest. A accept the loan on the terms. This is option A. A valid transaction in the ordinary course of business. Option B. Transaction vitiated by coercion. Option C. Transaction vitiated by undue influence. D. Transaction vitiated by fraud. And the answer is option A. Valid transaction in the ordinary course of business. Question 10. According to Section 2 Clause G of the Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement not enforceable by law is said to be option A. Contract impossible to perform. Option B. Illegal contract. C. Unlawful contract. D. Void. And the answer is D. Void. Question 11. Find out the correct response. Past consideration is not consideration. This statement is option A. Correct under Indian law of contract. B. Correct under English law of contract. C. Correct under both English as well as Indian law of contract. D. Not correct under both English as well as Indian law of contract. And the answer is B. Correct under English law of contract. Question 12. The leading case of Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company is related to option A. General offer. B. Counter offer. C. Invitation to offer. D. Collapsed offer. And the answer is A. General offer. Question 13. The doctrine of privity of contract means that option A. A contract is a private affair between the parties. B. Consideration can be supplied only by the parties to contract. C. The contract can be enforced only by a civil and private action. D. Only parties to contract can sue and be sued upon the contract. And the answer is D. Only parties to contract can sue and be sued upon the contract. Question 14. The communication of acceptance is complete as against the proposer when option A, it comes to the knowledge of the proposer, B, it is put in the course of transmission so as to be out of the power of the acceptor, C, the acceptance is communicated to the proposer, D, all of the above. And the answer is B, it is put in the course of transmission so as to be out of the power of the acceptor. Question 15. Under the Indian Contract Act, option A stranger to the contract can sue, B, a stranger to the contract cannot sue, C, a stranger but beneficiary under the contract can sue, D, none of the above. And the answer is C, a stranger but beneficiary under the contract can sue. Question 16. Benefits received by a party under a void contract are option A, liable to restore the benefits to the party from whom the benefits are received, option B, not liable to restore the benefits to that party, C, liable to restore the benefits to the third party, D, liable to surrender the benefits to the state. And the answer is A, liable to restore the benefits to the party from whom the benefits are received. Question 17. Quid pro quo means option A, something in return, B, adequacy of consideration, C, sufficiency of consideration, D, value of promise. And the answer is A, something in return. Question 18. Which of the following is not an essential element of a contract? Option A, agreement, B, lawful consideration, C, advantage to both the parties, D, lawful object. And the answer is C, advantage to both the parties. Question 19. Bank of India versus O.P. Suvarankar, AIR 2003 SC 858 is an important judgment on the following issue. Option A, communication, B, acceptance, C, breach of contract, D, invitation of offer. And the answer is D, invitation of offer. Question 20. Who is called a promisee according to the Contract Act? Option A, a person to whom a proposal is made, B, a person accepting the proposal, C, a person furnishing the consideration for the promise, D, a person to whom a promise is made. And the answer is B, a person accepting the proposal. Question 21. Offer or proposal is defined in Indian Contract Act in option A, Section 2 Clause A, B, Section 2 Clause B, C, Section 2 Clause D, D, Section 2 Clause E. And the answer is A, Section 2 Clause A. Question 22. An executory consideration is option A, past consideration, B, mutual exchange of promises, one being a consideration for other, C, present consideration, D, reciprocal promise. And the answer is option B, mutual exchange of promises, one being a consideration for other. Question 23. A notice in the newspapers inviting tenders is option A, a proposal, B, a promise, C, an invitation to proposal, D, an invitation for negotiation. And the answer is option C, an invitation to proposal. Question 24. In a contract, consideration could be supplied by option A, only the promisee, option B, even the promiser, option C, only by parties to contract, D, even a stranger to contract. And the answer is D, even strangers to contract. Question 25. The Indian Contract Act 1872 becomes operative from the date of option A, 25 April 1872, B, 25 May 1872, C, 1st September 1872, D, 18th September 1872. And the answer is C, 1st September 1872. Question 26. Which of the following is correct? A contract. Option A, may be oral, B, must be in writing, C, must be made in the presence of witnesses, D, must be written on a stamp paper. And the answer is option A, may be oral. Question 27. Which of the agreement is valid? Option A, agreement to initiate legal proceeding regarding a certain dispute, B, agreement in restraint of marriage, C, agreement in restraint of trade, D, agreement by way of waiver. And the answer is option A, agreement to initiate legal proceeding regarding a certain dispute. Question 28. An agreement not enforceable by law is option A, void, B, contract, C, voidable contract, D, valid contract. And the answer is A, void. Question 29. Every promise and every set of a promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. These have been provided under the following section of the Contract Act 1872. Option A, Section 2 Clause B, Section 2 Clause D, C, Section 2 Clause E, D, Section 2 Clause H. And the answer is option C, Section 2 Clause E. Question 30. Indian Contract Act good displayed in showcase of a shop with price tag is option A, invitation to offer, B, counter offer, C, communication, D, none of these. And the answer is A, invitation to offer. Question 31. An agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties thereto but not at the option of the other or others. Option A is a valid contract, B is an illegal contract, C is a voidable contract, D is an unenforceable agreement. And the answer is C, is a voidable contract. Question 32. Which of the following is explicitly stated in Section 2 Clause B of the Indian Contract Act 1872? Option A, a proposal when accepted becomes a promise. B, a proposal when accepted becomes a contract. C, a proposal when accepted becomes an agreement. Option D, a proposal when accepted becomes an assurance. And the answer is A, a proposal when accepted becomes a promise. Question 33. The Indian Contract Act 1872 defines contract in section. Option A, 2 clause A, B, 2 clause B, C, 2 clause D, D, 2 clause H. And the answer is D, 2 clause H. Question 34. Which section of the Indian Contract Act 1872 defines the term reciprocal promises? Option A, Section 2 clause E, B, Section 2 clause G, C, Section 2 clause D, D, Section 2 clause F. And the answer is Section 2 clause F. Question 35. Consideration means option A, must have some value in the eyes of law, B, must be real, C, must not be illusionary, D, all are correct. And the answer is all are correct. Question 36. A sells his property for rupees 1 crore to B for rupees 1 lakh. Is the contract enforceable? A, not enforceable. B, not enforceable because the consideration is illusionary. C, contract is not enforceable because A might be unduly influenced. D, contract is enforceable. And the answer is D, contract is enforceable. Question 37. Which of the following is not an essential for a valid sale? Option A, the parties must be competent to contract. B, there must be mental consent. C, there must be a transfer of property. D, there must be an agreement to sell. And the answer is D, there must be an agreement to sell. Question 38. Past consideration is valid in option A, England only, B, India only, C, both A and B, D, neither A nor B. And the answer is B, India only. Question 39. Which judiciary pronouncement of the Queen's Bench of England had dealt with the concept of general offer? Option A, Carlisle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company, B, Balfour versus Walford, C, Taylor versus Pottington, D, Spencer versus Harding. And the answer is A, Carlisle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. Question 40. What is a terminology used to describe a situation when two parties make identical offers to each other in ignorance of each other's offer? Option A, offer, B, cross offer, C, counter offer, D, conditional offer. And the answer is B, cross offer. Question 41. The act of submission of a tender is option A, an act of making an offer pursuant to the notice inviting tender, B, an act of acceptance of the offer contained in the notice inviting tender, C, an act of entering into the contract, D, an act of making a counter proposal in pursuance to the notice inviting tender. And the answer is option A, an act of making an offer pursuant to the notice inviting tender. Question 42. Which of the following is an exception to the rule or doctrine of privity of contract that a stranger to a contract cannot sue? Option A, family settlement, B, mortgage, C, agency, D, both A and C. And the answer is A, family settlement. Question 43. A contract which ceases to be enforceable by a law ceases to be enforceable. It is known as option A, unenforceable contract, B, void contract, C, voidable contract, D, contingent contract. And the answer is option B, void contract. Question 44. The legal principle which was laid down in the case of Harvey versus Facey was firstly followed by the Supreme Court of India in which of the following cases? Option A, Badri Prasad versus State of MP, B, Byomkesh Banerjee versus Nani Gopal Banik, C, D.I. Macpherson versus M.N. Apanna, D. Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. And the answer is C. D.I. Macpherson versus Aman Apanna. Question 45. Privity of contract is that the option A. Parties to the contract can sue each other. B. Beneficiary to the contract can sue the parties. C. Parties to the contract can sue the third party. D. Both B and C. And the answer is A. Parties to the contract can sue each other. Question 46. Clayton's principle is related to which of the following concept of the Contract Act? Option A. Appropriation of payments. B. Performance of reciprocal promises. C. Void agreements. D. Capacity to contract. And the answer is D. Capacity to contract. Question 47. Under the Contract Act, the consideration or object of an agreement is lawful unless option A. It is forbidden by law. B. It is impracticable. C. It is impossible. D. All of these. The answer is A. It is forbidden by law. Question 48. Which of the following ingredients is not necessary for contract? Option A. Proposal. B. Acceptance. C. Consideration. D. Property. And the answer is D. Property. Question 49. Past consideration means option A. Money received in the past without making even a proposal. Option B. The price which is more than the promiser's past expectations. C. The price paid or service rendered at the desire of the promiser, followed by a subsequent promise. Option D. Consideration that was valuable in the past but has ceased to be of any value at the time of performance of contract. And the answer is C. The price paid or service rendered at the desire of the promiser, followed by a subsequent promise. Question 50. Exception to the doctrine of privity of contract do not include option A. Beneficiaries under a charge. B. Equitable mortgage. C. Estoppels. D. Marriage settlement. And the answer is B. Equitable mortgage.